Hi, today I'm going to be walking you through how to make the Paper Circuits Cyber Turkey Mask. So hopefully you've already picked up your kit from the library. It would include this bag of Paper Circuits from Brown Dog Gadgets. It has different LED lights, it has some special circuit tape, and batteries that you'll need for this project, and then you can reuse them and for lots of different projects, either on their website. We have some more ideas on our website. So it's, a great kit that you can make so many cool projects out of. But today we are going to do the Cyber Turkey Mask. Along with your paper circuit materials, you would have also gotten this page with the basic directions and the link to this video, so I assume you've already gotten that. And this template, this blank Cyber Turkey Mask template. So the first thing you're going to want to do is color this guy. So you can see that one side is a normal turkey, nice feathers, and then this is the Cyber Turkey side. So you can kind of see the way that they have the details on the handout on your page. I'll also show you how I decorated mine. So I have, this half as the Cyber Turkey, and this half with all the regular turkey feathers. So once you color it, you're going to want to cut it out. It's a little bit tricky getting the eye in the mask cut out. An X-Acto knife works, but please have a grown-up help you with that. I was also able to kind of use scissors to cut like an X and then go around the eye. So do your best, ask for help so you can get that one eye so you can look through it as a mask. If you just want it as a decoration, like a turkey to hang up and display, you can always just draw it in as an eye if you want, but for our mask, I cut this one out. So once you have it colored and cut, we're going to start assembling the circuit, which is pretty easy. I think the coloring and the cutting will take up the most time of this project, and actually putting together the red cyber eye is pretty simple. So let me walk you through that part. In your Paper Circuits bag, you have several of these LED lights, and if you look really closely, I'll see how close I can get it, one of the legs is a little bit shorter than the other. And that's really important because when you have a circuit, the electricity from the battery is going to go in one direction, so you have to make sure that you have the positive and negative legs of the LED going in the right direction. So you're going to poke the light through the the robotic side of your turkey, and you're going to bend the legs of the light in a way where the short leg is going up and the long leg is out to the side like that. What you're going to do next is you're going to take your maker tape and you're going to cut a piece. It has paper on the back. You peel the paper off so it's sticky, and you're going to put the tape over the legs of your LED light. Okay. Okay, so here's one. You want to make sure, I did tape mine a little close. You want to make sure that the tape for the short leg is not touching the tape of the long leg. So you want to make sure that it's separate there. So here's my other piece of tape. I had these cut and peeled. Sometimes it's tricky to peel the paper off the back, so I made sure to do that before I started recording so that you weren't watching me trying to undo the tape for 5 minutes. Okay. So I'm just carefully making sure that the leg is under the tape. And they don't even have to be that long. I maybe made the tape a little bit long, but that's okay. So now we have both sides of the light taped down with our special maker tape. Okay, you're going to take out one of your batteries. Each kit comes with 2 batteries. And you're gonna take a piece of your maker tape and just make a little donut like you would with Scotch tape or masking tape when you're doing other projects or hanging things up. And you're gonna wanna put that on the bottom side of the battery that's kind of bumpy. The smooth side up top will have a plus on it, so you'll wanna leave that on top. And you're gonna take the battery with its donut and you're gonna place it on top of this tape from the short leg going up. Okay, so I have the battery taped down up there, okay? And then you're gonna take one more piece and just complete this triangle to complete the circuit. So this piece is gonna be a little bit longer so I can stretch from one side to the other. Okay, so I'm going to make sure I'm in the camera here. I'm gonna put the tape on the maker tape and connect it to the battery. So now we have a complete triangular circuit here, okay? And then it lights up your cyber eye for your cyber turkey mask. Very cool. And then to turn it on and off, you would just take that extra leg of tape off, because once you open the circuit back up, then the light goes off. What I did in my practices here is I held on to one of the paper backings from the tape and would just kind of put it on the end here just to keep it from lighting up the light when we weren't using it. But if we're going to be wearing it, we'll complete that circuit, put the tape on top of the battery, and then we have our cool cyber turkey mask. Part robot, part turkey. So I hope you enjoyed making it. If you want to share your completed cyber turkeys, please email us, uppermoreland@miclink.org. We would love to see them and share them on our social media pages. You can also use the hashtag UMFPL at home. We are doing our best to bring you lots of fun activities to do at home, including this cyber turkey mask. So enjoy. Bye.